Hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to do Mailchimp campaigns. So how you can launch your first campaign. Now, to make a campaign, you will need a couple of things. First, and the most essential one, is having contacts within your Mailchimp account. To add them, you could simply just go to campaigns, and meanwhile you are adding the or launching the campaign, you will be adding them in the process. Let me show you how. First, click on create. Second, here choose which kind of campaign you would like to launch. We have several ones. I'm just going to choose a simple one which is called the regular email, as you can see right here. So, as we were talking about is the contact. So here, to who are you going to send this email? So here you have to add your audience or contacts. I'm going to go here, for example, and choose the contact that I have already created before. So here, if you don't have any contact, you will have the button that shows you to create new ones. But in my case, I have already this one that I have created. Of course, I have made a video about them, so make sure to check it out right after this one. Now, once I have chosen this audience, I'm just going to go with it. I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to click on save. Um, Here, I'm going to choose the subject. So here, a subject would be something like promotion. And here, preview text, nothing, save. And after that, I have to add here the contents. Now for the contents, you could be using one of the template that you have already made before. We've made another video about the template, so make sure to check it out as well. Here you will be viewing the final look of the template. And once you have done that, just click on send and the campaign will be launched. Now, of course, I have a problem with the content. I didn't have added yet, but in case everything will be working good and you will have the campaign working flawlessly. So guys, thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next video.